Hi, I'm Carmen, and welcome to the Featherweight Shop. Today I want to highlight our SewRetro Oil for oiling your Singer Featherweight. When oiling your Featherweight, it's important that you get 1 drop of oil in each of the oiling points. And our SewRetro Oil includes a twist lock spout that, as you can see, with a little squeeze you can get just 1 drop of oil. And that way you're not over oiling your machine. And yet for shipping and for storage, the oil bottle comes with a twist lock cap. And it's put on pretty tight so that it doesn't leak. If you can't get it off with your fingers, just a slight twist with a pair of pliers will take off the cap. And then you simply twist on the spout and it's ready for use. For storage around the house, you can leave on the spout with the little rubber cap, or for long-term storage or travel, you can simply put the black cap back on. If you have questions about where and how often to oil your Featherweight, you can find this on pages 20 through 29 in our Featherweight Maintenance Handbook. Thanks for watching.